Metal roofing is the most expensive option for commercial and residential buildings, but there are plenty of upsides to like about them. There are also some not so good things that you should be aware of. Join me and let's find out what they are. Let's start with the pros. Metal roofs are durable. They can last anywhere between 40 and 100 years. With a 30 to 50-year manufacturer's warranty. Thanks to the material's unique durability, you can count on it to withstand the elements, including gusts of wind up to 140 miles per hour. Metal roofing can be cool roof coated with special reflective pigments to minimize heat gain, keeping occupants comfortable without having to crank up the air conditioner. In fact, according to the Metal Roofing Alliance, it can reduce cooling costs by as much as 25%. Metal roofs consist of at least 25% recycled materials and are 100% recyclable. Let's talk about the bad things about metal roofing. Not only do the materials come with high price tags, but the installation labor is also quite expensive. This is due to the specialized training that is required to install metal roofs. Some metal can be dented by large hail or falling branches. Aluminum and copper, for example, are both softer and therefore more prone to this type of damage than steel. Overall, despite them being expensive, metal roofs make for a good roofing system. Their durability and energy efficiency make it all worth it. Thanks for watching. And if you haven't already, make sure to like and follow this channel for more videos just like this. See you in 2 weeks.